Road narrows.
Fucking hell. Pheasants?
They survived the season, didn't they?
Yeah. Expect they'll be looking to chuck themselves under the nearest car.
Oh yeah.
I say, bit rough here.
It is a bit.
Oh, mind that bastard. Go right in the middle of them.
Oh.
That obviously sits with water there, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? See, what I could do with is a more adventure style bike, really, isn't it, for these roads?
It is.
This looked better on Street View.
Did it?
I'm quite happy on these roads.
Aye, aye, quad bike coming.
Yeah.
I told him there's 4 of us.
Well, thank you for planning this route, Nige.
Yeah.
Hey?
Thank you for planning this route. Thoroughly enjoyable, apart from the motorway bit.
Yeah.
But this is definitely made up for it. As you say, we had to go up that way to get over, didn't we?
Yeah, can't really fucking odds it, can you?
No, not unless you want to go through housing estates and nice little else.
Looks like my phone's lost connection to the... Has anyone got Steger up on their screen still?
Yeah.
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 Because my my Carpia ride's gone off for some reason.
Oh, it's
We've
showing.
got left here.
And then a right.
Left and then right.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but my Carpia ride's gone off.
So yeah, right
Completely
turn down
gone
here.
off. Because it's got a black screen.
Oh dear.
Someone else want to go in front, I've got nothing.
Scabby here, isn't it?
Yeah, like I say, that's just a cut through from to get on the... This is a much better road. Be the look of it. To be fair, that one there we just done didn't
All
look
clear,
that bad
Joe.
on Street View.
All clear.
Yeah. You all out?
See, that was your one thing about Steger on it. It doesn't show on your phone at the same time, does it?
Yeah.
So if your car play packed up, you've lost everything, haven't you?
Well, I've just pressed on my phone, switched to phone, so I've got it back up on the phone now.
Yeah.
But there's less chance of me looking at that than there is at my Carpia ride screen.
Fucking hell.
Well, I have to
What?
actually look down to see my phone.
So there's a less than 0 chance.
Look at this, look, isn't it lovely, eh?
Slim to bugger all. Nothing, right?
Does it say on Stegra the name of this road, is it? I think it's a 6247, isn't it?
I don't know.
Don't
I was
say,
going to
does
plug
it?
the TomTom in and blow it right up so that I can see the road numbers.
Joe with us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm a bit slower. I keep catching up. Fiddling around my cameras all the time. Not doing it anymore. Giving up on them.
You've given up with your cameras.
It's just I can't keep pressing them on and off. And I don't have too much memory to take hours transferring it, so I'll sort it out tonight,
Yeah.
and then hopefully it starts up properly in the morning for the other rides.
I do, I love roads like this out in the country.
Yeah, tighty righty.
Oh, very.
It's a nice
Look at
place,
this,
isn't it?
yeah.
Oh, gorgeous.
Beautiful. Car coming.
Yeah.
It's a Volvo. Wouldn't it be ironic if it had chosen the time to my Carpia ride to blow up? If it
That'd
has,
be
it'll
fucking
go in the
typical, wouldn't
nearest bin.
Move over.
Yeah, fucking how much road he want?
I didn't realise we got Nick leading the way.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I've got nothing on my Carpia ride screen. I've managed to get it back on my phone screen.
That's my only complaint with the Garmin, is that the pin connectors aren't brilliant on the back.
Have you moved your microphone away from your mouth?
No.
It does sound very distant, doesn't it?
It does.
Alright, hang on.
It
I didn't want to
does.
say anything until I just thought it was my ears playing
No,
up.
you're probably enjoying it.
Well, it's because you're in front, Nick, isn't it? You're a bit further away.
That's what
aren't
it
you?
is. Is
He's in front,
that
all
any
right.
better?
That's
Yeah.
better.
So you fucking lied then? Right,
Oh, he's going to let us through.
Preferably not on a brow of a fucking hill, though.
No. And it looks like we're
Oh,
staggering across the lane.
major
of it,
pothole
potholes.
there. Van coming down. Right,
Let
let's
us
go.
through.
Still clear there.
Still clear.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Still clear.
There is a crossroads approaching.
Bang, 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 bang. Toss side.
Oh no, it's a
Yeah, you go round to the right
It's a
and then you get
weird
the crossroads up here.
North Yorkshire.
Oh, like, looking at his like.
Welcome to North Yorkshire.
Oh, my carpure eyes just decided to come back on. Must
That
have
was
gone
that
over
bump.
another bump.
Yeah, it was a bit bumpy there.
Oh, look at that over there.
Oh, hang on, hair in the road. Hair in
Oh,
the
there's a
road.
hare. Look at him, long-legged, lanky bastard. I was a bit slow there when you said there's a hare in the road. I should have said, is it a pubic hair? Oh, ding dong.
She
I thought that's what it is.
Yeah. Oh,
She mad. It's about minus fucking 10 up here.
yeah, but she's a roughy tufty. She's used to it.
Yeah.
Not like you fucking blokes from Yeovil with women's hands and fucking... They got fucking hairy knuckles and all sorts up here, the women. Ooh, black lights.
You got any idea, Nigel, how far away we are from Barnard Castle?
Nah, I mean, it was looking about 12:30 we'd get there.
Yeah. We can't be far off that.
Lovely roads.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
Who says you can't have fun at 50 miles an hour?
Yep.
Exactly. It's just about right, isn't it? Quick enough to enjoy yourself, slow enough to see what's going on around you.
Yeah. You can't see around the fucking corner, but you think at least one bastard would let you out, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Right, you're clear.
Clear.
Still
Can't
clear,
come
Joe.
in.
We're all out.
What does stress me out though is when you get your cameras, you just can't use them because things don't work. I
Yeah.
could just press two buttons on and off. They'd both be on, off. Perfect. But I'm thinking about it all the time. Bloody things.
That's why I leave the three running all
Oh,
day for
look at
nice.
that old beauty. Old Riley,
Very
wasn't it?
nice.
I think I saw the little blue Riley badge in the middle of the grill.
Lovely.
Dog curling one down.
I thought that would catch your eye, Nigel.
We're going left.
We are. But now the TomTom connector is very,
Yeah,
very
it's
good.
It's on and off like a fucking yo-yo, my screen. Take it we're going round to the left.
Yep.
No,
Straight on.
Oh, for fuck's sake. I've got nothing on my screen again. Go on, you go straight on, I'll spin it. Go on, someone else go in front because I can't fucking count on my screen.
Yeah. Have you spun round?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here.
Just look for the Chinales.
we're here.
There we are.
Look at that gaff.
Fucking hell.
Very
Nice,
nice.
isn't You were heading up their driveway.
Very nice. I think that's where I was going.
Yeah, you were.
Go check out the bathrooms.
I say, darling, there appears to be some riffraff coming up the drive on a motorcycle.
It's all right. It's not the Yeovil.
Ah, it must be the wanker from Weymouth then.
Yeah.
Well, that's going to get on my tits. The screen. GPS disconnected. GPS connected. GPS disconnected.
It's a shame there's not an on-off switch, isn't it?
Yeah.
On Nige or on the copyright?
Oh, fucking hell. It's just fell off.
What the hell?
That's it.
What, on the
Do you
road?
need to stop?
On the road?
Right, I've got it.
Yeah.
No, I got it. I caught it.
Hang on. We'll pull over here.
He was fiddling with his joggle wheel and he went, oh, fucking hell. And I thought, Jesus, he's just missed a wall.
Do you know what I reckon? I reckon some bastards tried to nick that
Yep, I reckon it was
because it's got
Something
fucking, it's got marks on it. And the top lug where it clips in,
yeah.
it's snapped. I reckon
Really?
somebody's tried to fucking have that.
Did you leave that on your bike overnight?
Yeah, because it locks on. So they obviously couldn't get it off.
It wasn't
Right.
fucking Buffalo Soldier at the services, was it?
No, he didn't get that close to him.
Right, I'm coming.
Ready?
Carry on. I'll go at the back because I got no fucking screen now. It's just purely on my phone. Cool, that was lucky. I caught that.
Was,
Wasn't
wasn't it?
it?
Might be able to just buy another bracket for the back of it. I
So-
reckon it looks like somebody may have had a screwdriver or something in behind it trying to fucking have it. I've never taken it off because it locks on there. Or it used to.
Yeah.
I might have to nick some of your cling film later, Joe,
Alright, got plenty.
to cover up the terminals where it clips on. I haven't got my blanking plate with me, I don't think.
Most of these screens you get, they've got so many gadgets and gizmos on them, and 90% you wouldn't use. All you do when you're riding
No.
along,
Yeah.
all you want to know is where you're going, basically.
Car, car,
don't you?
car. Whoa, 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 whoa. Frick.
He wasn't going to stop, was he?
No, he fucking wasn't going to stop.
Dipshit.
Clear, clear. Clear, clear, clear.
It's funny, people
we
say
go.
still
Yeah.
clear and everything, but I still look. Not that I don't trust
Oh, yes.
anybody, but
Yeah, I wouldn't trust any of us idiots.
no.
I don't.
See, I've had this bloody flask weighing me pannier down all bloody day.
Yeah.
You haven't used it.
I haven't used it, no.
Well, to stop to make a brew somewhere. That'd be a laugh.
And I even made sure that
Yeah,
me
shall
mugs
we?
were accessible.
Yeah.
Me mugs were accessible.
Shall we fire up the jet boil, see if that fucking works?
Yeah, why not?
There we go. We have some standy uppy bits.
Hey! It's nice to get the air flying round, isn't it?
Oh look, we're going to bend stood up as well, look.
Good job you got an adventure bike, nice.
It is, isn't it?
Look at that,
Isn't
lots of
it?
benches to sit on.
Oh yeah.
We have a look.
Ah,
Oh, I'll tell you what, we can go round
that's a pub.
and maybe...
That's a pub.
Pub.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah,
park
but
in
they're
the pub.
We find
They're
it
not
pub.
open though.
They're not open.
No, no.
No.
Well, it looks like it may well be a trading pub.
It's up for sale, isn't it?
Oh, refurbishment planned.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Are we going to stop here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got to try this Chinese jet bowl.
Old men on tour. And believe it or not, I'm riding along. You may notice the carpio ride is missing. I'm riding along and that fell off. By the look of it. Yeah, look. He's fucked. Absolutely fooked.